Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can hide your Instagram profile or Instagram account from your contact. Okay, let's get into it guys. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you two methods to hide your Instagram profile from your contact. The first method, you can go to your Instagram application and then go to your setting. You can go to your profile first and then you can click on this three lines on the top right corner. Then you can choose the account center. Okay, and you can scroll down until you find the information and permissions. And here, since we want to hide our Instagram profile or Instagram account from our contact, we can choose upload contacts. Okay, and I have logged into multiple accounts on my Instagram and I have connected all the accounts, so I need to choose one of them. If you have same condition with me, you can choose one of the Instagram accounts you want to hide from your contact, and I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, and then here make sure you disable this option, connect contact. When you enable this option, your Instagram account or your Instagram profile will be discovered by your contact, and there is a chance for your Instagram to be suggested to your contact, so I recommend you to disable this option. Okay, and click on disconnect the contact, and you can read the description or the information right here. If you want to get more information, you can click on learn more. Okay, and the second method I'm going to show you is going to our setting on our mobile phone. You can go to your setting and then you can go to the app setting. Wait, go to the apps and go to the Instagram application. Right, guys. Okay, choose the Instagram and you can select the permission and you're going to go to the contact. I'm going to prevent my contact to be accessed by Instagram, so I'm going to click on don't allow, so Instagram cannot access my contact on my mobile phone. Or we can go to our Instagram again and go to the Instagram setting. Wait, go to the setting and we're going to go to the device permission. Okay, and here you can customize whether you want to allow your the Instagram to access your contact or not. You can also disable the contact from here. Okay guys, and that's how we can hide our Instagram profile from our contact. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!